to this video, but Georgia Farmer, thank you very much for the information on Witch's Brew Yankee Candle. The rant I had the other day, I might need to take it back because they did bring Witch's Brew back. Whoops. But thank you, Georgia. My bank account isn't happy with you, though. Hello, everyone. I would just like to tell you that in the following clips, you're going to see like a demonstration of the comparisons of window cleaners. I'm going to show you them now because I don't think you can see them well in the video that I made, so I'm going to show them to you now. When you see my vehicle, side A was the Home Store's Foaming Action Glass and Surface Cleaner, bought from the Dollar Tree. Side B is Sprayway's World's Best Glass Cleaner, okay? The reason why I'm talking about, I got this at Walmart, but I think you can get it all over the place. This was a Dollar Tree, don't know if you can buy it anywhere else. The purpose of that was just, I was cleaning my car that day. So what you're about to see is the comparison of the two, one on each side of my car, the inside and outside of the windows. And like I said, it was so bright, I think you're not gonna, it's not like you see crystal clear because of the brightness, but you should be able to see, because I can see in the video, you should be able to see which one left some marks and which one didn't. So yeah, there you go. Here comes the clip, and I'll see you in a minute. This is from product B, the window. Now, my windows aren't perfect. These are outdoors. You know, I didn't clean up lint because they're outside doors. Come on, man. You know what I mean? They're for my car. This ain't a cleaning job. You know what I'm saying? But here's the windows. I don't know if you can see how clean or what, or any marks left on this side. I'm hoping I'm going too fast here. Okay, now we're gonna go to the other side of my vehicle. That was side B. Side A. Side A. Okay, side A. Side A. All right. Which side did you pick was cleaner? I picked side B. This was side A. That was side B. Okay, so you just saw the demonstration of the cleaning. And the winner, in my opinion, was this. Side B's, Sprayway's glass cleaner. World's best. Now, what I do want to say, because I have used this on multiple occasions inside homes, because my side hustle is a cleaning job. I clean houses part-time. And I have used this in numerous homes on windows, on mirrors, and when you follow the instructions, which is, you know, blah, 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 you know, clean the window with this stuff, like you saw me doing in the video. I use my little squeegee. And then it suggests that you come back and buff it. On my car, even with the buffing, it really did not get much of it. It left smudges behind, where this one did not. But I have had fantastic results inside of homes. So I don't know what the problem was that day. So I guess what I'm trying to say is this doesn't mean this is like, don't buy this, okay? Because it's $1. First of all, it's a nice full-size can. I had no issues with it on the side of homes, inside homes. I really didn't. I did go back and, you know, the super buff, but it really did eliminate everything. It made them crystal clear, no lint, no nothing left behind. It was a successful use. I can tell you, on the inside of homes, on windows and on mirrors, this has left some smudges, and I don't know what made it work so good on my car that day. So this is like the worst comparison video ever, because I'm like not picking a one now. This did the best in my car, but this has worked better in homes. So try both. Try both. So this is not a bashing of either cleaner. They both were good in different places. But I love the price of $1. I do. However, I don't know. I think I will always keep both on hand. That's the truth. What I will tell you is there has been times, though, in purchasing this one that I did not like how it came out of the nozzle. It is meant to shh, and it would be like a blast, like you saw it being applied to my car, a nice blast, you know, nice even foam action. This gives a phenomenal even foam action. But on one of my side hustle jobs, they also keep this product, and theirs is terrible. It could just be a faulty nozzle, but theirs comes out in this almost like, you know, that I think it's either Raid, like Hornets spray, and it has that weird rounded nozzle on top, and it comes out with such a force. It comes out like that on theirs. Like I said, they could have a faulty nozzle, but I hate how it comes out. It gets everywhere, and I don't like it, and it doesn't work that great. So maybe they just got a bad can of it. My bottom line is both are good in their certain places. How about that? Both were good, but not on my car that day. It was Sprayway. This was the winner. Okay? So there you go. Thank you so much for watching my video. And if you enjoyed the video, or you enjoy seeing me fall apart with my constant rambling, maybe you would like to subscribe, okay? Or give me a like. You know what I mean? But I'd like it if you subscribe to and come back and hang out with me. Because I'll have more videos of where I completely embarrass myself online. You know what I mean? You all have a fabulous day. Thank you for watching.